Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make the best sangria. Start by chilling your wine, slicing seasonal fruit, and macerating with sugar and a splash of brandy. Stir gently. Add freshly squeezed orange and lemon juice, a touch of sweetener, and let flavors meld for at least 1 hour. Finish with soda or sparkling water for lift, adjust sweetness to taste, and serve over ice with extra fruit. For best flavor, pick a variety of fruit. Firm apples, juicy oranges, and berries release different notes and textures. Gently muddle some fruit, but avoid crushing everything into mush. You want bright pieces in the glass. Consider adding a sprig of mint or rosemary for aroma, and taste as you go to balance sweetness and acidity. Chill long enough for fusion, then add soda right before serving to keep bubbles lively. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like so I can share more recipes with you. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker is perfect for queuing playlists, setting timers while your sangria macerates, and adding fun kitchen voice control. It's like a sous chef that plays music. Check the description for the link and other deals. Grab one if you want better kitchen sound. Now let's get back to the video. When serving, fill glasses with ice and spoon in fruit before adding sangria to keep each pour consistent. For a lighter feel, swap in white wine or rosé and lean on citrus and stone fruit. If making ahead, prepare the base and refrigerate, then stir in sparkling water or soda just before guests arrive to preserve fizz. Garnish with a citrus wheel or herb sprig and serve with long spoons for easy scooping.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.